Curriculum for Wales. The world is changing, so what you learn in school needs to change too. What is different? The curriculum includes knowledge, skills, and experiences. Your teachers will plan the learning to help your future. Lessons will look at the real world and will help you reflect on what you learn. The 4 purposes. These 4 purposes will be the foundation of everything you learn. All children and young people will get support to be ambitious, capable learners who are ready to learn throughout their lives. This means they believe in themselves and what they can do. They want to learn and do better. They have the skills to learn. Enterprising, creative contributors who are ready to play a full part in life and work. This means they can be creative and think of new ideas. They can solve problems. They can use this in their work. Ethical, informed citizens who are ready to take part in Wales and the world. This means they understand their rights and responsibilities. They take part in their community. They care about the world. Healthy, confident individuals who are ready to lead fulfilling lives as valued members of society. This means they have healthy minds and bodies. They feel good about themselves and what they believe in. What matters? We want to make sure that your learning focuses on things that matter for you now and in your adult life. What matters for languages? 1. Learning about languages. For example, identity as a deaf person and as a sign language user in Wales and the wider world. Belonging to the deaf community as well as other communities. Deaf culture as well as other cultures. Communicating meaning from one person to another within BSL, or communicating meaning from one language to another. Including the history and status of BSL and changes over time. Regional variation in BSL. 2. Understanding languages. 3. Using languages. 4. Literature and creativity. For example, BSL poetry, signed songs, visual vernacular, and drama. Moving forward, the new curriculum will be focused on you. your interests and at your pace of learning. Assessments will help you move forward, identify where extra support is needed, show where you are now and where you need to aim, challenge you to do better. British Sign Language in the curriculum for Wales. BSL will be treated the same as other languages in school, such as Welsh, English and French. Starting with basic BSL skills and moving towards fluency and proficiency. Questions to think about and discuss. How would you like learning to be different in school? What's important for you in learning in school? How would you like learning BSL to be different in school? What's important for you learning BSL in school? You may have other questions you would like to think about and discuss.